Hi, welcome to Bar Cart Bookshelf, a video series about books and the drinks they inspire. My name is Elias, and today we're talking about Snowblooded by Emma Sterner-Radley. Snowblooded is a historical adventure fantasy set in a Scandinavia that never quite was, where a pagan past is at odds with a Christian present, which is true, but in a city that is in part governed by an order of assassins who carry out the justice, or portions of the justice of the city. And here in this city, Winterstock, where we have all of our assassins, we have two rival assassins. They're junior in the guild, they're at odds with each other, they've been training and butting heads from early childhood, and now they have to work together. It's a lot of fun, as you can imagine. It's a story of sword fights and strange alchemical magic and rodents of unusual size and lesbians who are immediately falling into bed with each other, and just like a lot of fun adventure fantasy, bickering and battling and dealing with the angst of being an assassin, of feeling, disconnected from that, and just wanting to enjoy your tea service and wanting to be good at what you do and having a grand old time along the way. It's like there's these scenes sometimes in The Simpsons where you see the crow with the three eyes because of the nuclear reactor there in town. This is the magical vibe we get with some of these animals, but overall we're dealing with these sorts of performance-enhancing drugs, essentially Ness tonics, strongness and swiftness and shrewdness and cunningness, and all of this enhancing what you are and what you can be in sort of messy, addictive ways. And just, a lot of fun, really, sort of Princess Bride feelings of, this is an adventure fantasy right here. Just really joyful. A joyful sort of book. And so, of course, we had to have a drink. Our drink today is the Order of Axsten, inspired by the fictional guild of assassins in the book. And we're going to start by getting some crushed ice into a rocks glass, like so. It's set in Scandinavia, so we've got to have something nice and chilly, even if the characters would prefer something hot. We're going to start with 3 ounces of cold brew concentrate. And Valor, one of our assassins, would definitely prefer tea, but Petrichor, the other of our lead assassins, he's going to be very happy with the coffee here. And we'll give that just a little stir to start, and then we will add our modifiers. Get some lemon cordial. This is a syrup made with lemon juice, lemon peel, and sugar. We'll get half an ounce of that in there. Add a bit of brightness, add a touch of sweetness, and then half an ounce of honey syrup. So honey diluted with a little bit of water just to make it easier to pour. Perfect. Half an ounce of that. And then we will add a bar spoon of rose water. Just a touch of something floral. Ingrid, one of the lead characters, who enjoys hot milk with a dollop of cream and rose water, which is not quite a beverage that I would go to, but one that certainly sounds lovely for her. But I do like that just hint of rosewater, that touch of florality that's really going to add a lovely extra dimension to our mocktail here. Then we'll add a couple of dashes, 2 to 4 dashes of cardamom bitters. Valor, one of our main assassins, she loves a cardamom bun, and who doesn't? And it's going to bring that nice light spice, this real like winter warming sense to our mocktail, to our Order of Axsten. And we're going to give that a stir just to get everything combined. Lovely. And then we are going to top with tonic water. As I said, we've got these Ness tonics, and so we have to have a tonic. We're going to get just a little bit of that in there, so it froths, so it foams, so it makes you all just a little bit more, but probably mostly a little bit more awake. You could call this an awakeness tonic, but we're going to call it an Order of Axsten anyway. The book is Snowblooded. It's an adventure fantasy. It's sword-crossed. It's swashbuckling. It's banter and fun and excitement, and I had a really great time with it. It's a book that I've been saving for some chilly weather, and it warmed me right up amidst the winter chill, the Scandinavian chill of its own. Snowblooded is available now. I've got a link to snag it in the description down below, as well as a link to find my book, Cocktails and Consoles, 75 Cocktails and Mocktails Inspired by the Wonderful World of Video Games. We've got links to various forms of social media, including Instagram and Blue Sky, where there's always a written version of today's recipe. Try the drink. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit that like button. It makes me so, so happy when you do. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss an episode. And until next time, cheers.